July 30th, 2018. Thought I'd take a video to show you guys what I've been up to for the past week. Slowly. Basically digging out a whole structure to be representative of the indication from July 1st. In that sky right there, the same sky. We can audio dub anything I like into this afterward because I'm far enough away from the camera. Usually there's rock and roll playing, regardless of whether I can hear it. See, you can imagine what the neighbors might think of all this noise. And I'm pretending as much as I can to be a gemstones aficionado. If anyone asks, I'm very amateur at this right now. I'm looking for anything familiar to the experiment in context with everything. So that could be something of a shape that indicates intelligence or biologic. Consistent with the experiment, only in the context. So I clean out. So every few minutes of doing that, to look for that. And so that's what it looks like. And that's what the progress looks like. I've learned that leaving just a little bit of water in here softens up all the stones between the cracks, makes a nice plaster. Look at that lime, huh? Geez, that's nice. Geology would be a fun hobby or career. It tells us the history of our planet. Here I've drilled into the nutshell apparent halves, where it was hot here, cooler here. I'm staying with the perfect line that had been, of which is well documented. And you can see on this side I'm also staying with the Not shell half. I've actually made a crack. See? Like it was supposed to be. Even drilling up in here. So, humans are pretty good at making holes and putting things in them, right? Okay, James out. Is this thing off?